Hey everyone, it's Mr. Shore here. Hope everybody's doing well. This video is to show you guys how to access our Minecraft server. It's a safe, protected server that only the people we allow are allowed to use. So that's why we like to use it. So first things first, if you are using an iPad version of Minecraft, or if you're using an Xbox version of Minecraft, none of those are going to work. You have to be using a PC or Mac version. It's called the Java Edition. If you don't have Java Edition, you can go to minecraft.net. And you can download it here. If you already have this, that's great. If not, it won't. It'll cost you, I think, about $27. If you're one of our members, though, let me know, and I will let you use one of our accounts. We've got a whole bunch of them. You can sign in and download it for free then. All right. So once you have Minecraft, you're going to go ahead and open it on up. Open the launcher. If you're not logged in, it'll look something like this when you first open it up. We're just going to go ahead and put in our email. Use one of our accounts. Hopefully I remember the password. Oops, maybe not. Oh, I remember the password, not the username. All right, there we go. So now down here it says latest release 1.15.2. That's the version of Minecraft we're playing in. It's really important that you are also using this because that's what our server is running at this time. If you have the wrong version, it'll tell you when you go to try to join the server. So in order to join the server, we got to go launch the game. All right, once the game has launched, I love the little splash right here for the coronavirus. Stay safe. And I saw one that said, wash your hands, don't touch your face. So go to multiplayer. I already have the server added. If you're doing it for the first time, you're going to come over here and add the server. So you click on add server. The name doesn't actually matter. All that matters is the address. Now this is privileged information, so please don't go sharing this around with just anybody. The server address is 198.24.180.210. That's the IP, and the port is 60493. No spaces in any of that. If you want to, you can name it Full Steam Ahead Server, although that won't matter. All right, so now I've got two of them there. If you did it right, it should say Full Steam Ahead, and then it should have the description of what the server currently is. In order to join it, just click the icon, or click the play button right here, or click Join Server down here. And there we are, we're in. Now it may ask you, it may say, you're playing multiplayer, are you sure you're okay with this? You're joining a safe server, so yes. Also, if it asks you to download a resource pack, you can also choose to do that as well. It won't make too much of a difference if you don't. All right, that is all. See you out there.